pero sinisingil na.
Yes.
Paano ba yun?
Well, the status right now, Your Honor, is that as far as the 19% reciprocal tariff rate, the same is already effective
Kaya
for
nga,
goods
so,
coming to
ano pang
the US.
ine-negotiate? Naniningil na eh.
But that reciprocal tariff rate, Your Honor, is a unilateral imposition of the United States.
Understood. But I'm saying that the comparison has been made even by some representatives from the United States that in fact we are more comparable to South Korea or Japan being defense partners versus the others who were imposed 19%, such as Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the rest. Bakit tayo hindi pinagbigyan? Sinasabi mo hindi pa tapos, pero naniningil na di tapos na.
Well, because it is unilateral po, Your Honor. But to date, Your Honor, no country
It's
or...
unilateral, but clearly there's room for negotiation. Why weren't we able to negotiate?
That is why we are negotiating, Your Honor, together with the other countries. And to date, Your Honor...
Not to great success. Kasi pinapatawan na ng 19% eh.
Well, because that is something beyond our control. It was the United States who issued the executive order on that.
I know what unilateral means. Yes, it's beyond our control, but also it's subject to negotiation. You yourself said. Bakit hindi na ipapababa? Tulad ng Japan at Korea.
Well, right now, Your Honor, except for the revised reciprocal tariff rates issued last July by the President of the United States.
It's revised. Ganun pa rin since July.
It was revised, Your Honor, because there were actually 3 sets of reciprocal tariff rates.
Understood, but the ones announced were really at 19. Hindi
for the Philippines, yes, that's 19%.
Mula sa hindi pa napapababa mula Hulyo.
Not yet, Your Honor.
Yun na nga. So ano na nangyari? Nasa October na po tayo.
We have ongoing negotiations right now. And
wala bang timeline yan? Kasi tapos na yung iba eh. Tapos na yung...
Well,
ang nakatengal na lamang, di ba yung China? Pero actually, Japan and Korea tapos na. Tapos na rin yung Vietnam. Tapos na rin Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia. Pati Singapore.
To date, Your Honor, wala pa pong country or economy na nakapag-conclude at finalize ng reciprocal trade agreement with the US. Lahat po ongoing. So yung mga na-announce...
I don't think that's what we're reading.
Well, yun nga po, Your Honor.
It appears quite final.
So that's why, Your Honor, we have to clarify that because the common notion of the general public is that it is as if there is already a trade deal arrived at by these countries or economies. But to date, Your Honor, no country or economy has yet finalized and concluded a trade agreement that was duly signed or ratified by the parties.
No country has finalized. I'm going to hold you to that. Finalized.
Ngayon po kasi ang mga nilalabas pa lang po mga joint statement. So basically, there are parameters like in the case of Indonesia, for example, of the 10 ASEAN member states right now, only Indonesia and the United States came out with a joint statement. But that joint statement is not yet an agreement.
So you're actually saying there's an exception to the rather blanket statement?